Welcome. This is how to fix cursor disappeared error on your Asus VivoBook Windows. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and tap on your keyboard Windows X. Now, from here, just simply use your arrow keys and you can just simply go for Device Manager and enter. Now, from here, on the device manager, just select tab into your keyboard. And after that, just simply use the arrow keys to go for the mice and other pointing devices. Now here, use the arrow going to the right. And from here, just select your mouse. Now guys, just simply go ahead and select on your keyboard Shift F10. And after that, just simply use the arrow keys to go ahead and go for uninstall device, enter, and enter again. And after that, guys, you have to restart or shut down your computer. And when you turn it back on, you should be able to fix the issue.